Welcome to Bundung Borehole Johnson. What's up everybody? It's Prince Eka over here. Welcome to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time coming across this YouTube channel, just kindly do me a big favor by clicking that subscribe button, like and share this video with friends and families. So guys, in today's video, I'll be showing you the latest update on this new road here in Bundung Borehole, the Gambia, West Africa. So guys, without wasting much time, let me just turn the camera and start showing you guys the latest update on this new road here in Bundung Borehole, the Gambia. Plus I'll be showing you how this neighborhood of Bundung Borehole looks too in the year 2026. So guys, as you guys can see, here is called Bundung Borehole Johnson, and then the way the camera is pointing at, it leads all the way to Sukuta, and then I'll be going this way. This is the new road which they are constructing here in Bundung. As you guys can see, this road is an asphalt road. The road is still under construction, and this is the same road as you guys. This is the same road you guys are seeing. It leads all the way to London Corner and Serakunda, and this is how this environment of Bundung looks. This part of Bundung. I'm walking all the way towards Bundung Borehole Market. This is the condition of this road. The road isn't complete, as you guys can see. This road isn't complete, but vehicles start using this road. Yep. If you miss this part of Bundung, this is how it looks in 2026. Guys, currently I'm deep inside a local Gambian community called Bundung. Guys, this is what your boy is getting for you here, showing you the real life here in this local Gambian community called Bundung. And then guys, it's somehow windy out here too. Hopefully wind is not affecting the audio quality of this video. Guys, I'm getting closer to the Bundung Borehole Market. Guys, I'm around the street market of Bundung Borehole. This is how the street market of Bundung Borehole looks. Guys, on my left hand side over there is the Bundung Borehole market. This is the 4K view of the Gambia, West Africa in 2026. Somebody can be watching this video 10 years, 15 years, even 100 years later, as far as YouTube is still there. And that's a masjid over there. And then if you are enjoying what I'm getting for you here, just kindly give the video a big thumbs up. Your likes helps YouTube to push the video to larger audience. And then don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel too. Your subscription helps to grow the channel. Let's go, viewers. I'm walking towards London Corner and Serakunda, but I will end this video before even reaching at Serakunda. This is what your boy is getting for you here in this local Gambian community called Bundung Borehole. This is Bundung Borehole in 2026. You guys can see, and this is the condition of this new road. This is the latest update here on this Bundung Borehole road. As I said earlier, the road is still under construction, and then I will also soon end this video. Hope you guys are getting me loud and clear, because it's somehow windy out here today, and then it's sunny too.
Hey,
Guys, I'm getting closer to London corner. Finally, guys, this is where I will end this video. As always, if this is your first time coming across this YouTube channel, just kindly do me a big favor by clicking that subscribe button, like and share this video with friends and families. This is all I have for you in today's video here in Bundung, the Gambia, West Africa. It's your boy Prince Seka. We're from the Smiling Coast. I'm out. See you on the next video. Bye.